Okay, language explorers, let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So, allow. 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 To permit something to happen. You are allowed to enter. You are allowed to enter. You're not allowed to eat that. You're not allowed to eat that. No way. Yeah. Will you allow her to come here? Yeah. They might allow guests. It depends on things. They might allow guests. Yeah, it depends on things. Yeah. Yeah. The machine allows you to do that. The rules allow you to write that. Yeah. They won't allow me to drink this. Drink this. They won't allow me to drink this. No way. Yeah, no way. So, that means then that it allows, she allows, he allows, I allow, you allow, they allow. I allow you to learn English by my lessons, yeah? They allow me to record. It allows me to record. So I use certain software, certain programs. I use a certain software. It allows me to record my lessons. Yeah, it allows things to happen. It permits things to happen. Yeah. I use this software. It allows me to record. How cool is that? So she allowed them to visit. She allows me to come inside. She allows me to come inside. Yeah, the office. How cool is that? Why are you allowing this? How can they be allowing all this to happen? How can they be allowing all this to happen? How can it be happening? How can they be allowing it? How can they be allowing it? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. He might allow you to stay soon. So she might allow the book to be published. Okay, maybe. He wants to allow you in, but they aren't allowing it. See, he wants to allow you in, but they aren't allowing it. No way. How cool is that? Permit something to happen. I'm allowing myself to relax and have chocolate. Yeah. But I'm allowing, but they're allowing them to go to the gym. But they are allowing them to go to the gym. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, allow, to permit something. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use allow in a sentence? Can you comment below with the sentence and like the video and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah, just search for Adrian and English with Adrian. English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.